Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android editing, documents, tips and tricks. If you are looking for best app to scan to PDF or scan text to OCR without any stress, consider to stay tuned to this video and see the best app you can use right now to scan to PDF, AI PDF editor, and OCR scan text, scan paper or PDF to text without any stress, or with a simple app. What you need to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store on your Android phone. Open up Play Store. Then after you open up Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search and come to search app again and type in Adobe Scanner. And then click on search. So here you go. All you have to do is to click on this one right here. Adobe Scan AI PDF. It's taking you right here. Go ahead and make sure you install this app. After a successful installation, then you are now good to go. Click on open. Then go ahead and click on continue. To start using the free version, simply go ahead and click on this top right here to close this pop up. And you'll be taken right here. Welcome to Adobe Scan. Hit on OK. Then go ahead and click on while using the app. Click on allow and you are done. There are a lot of documents you can literally scan with this particular app right here. You can scan ID card. Scanning an ID card, hit on OK, front and back. You can as well scan business card, hit on OK. You can slide this way, and then you can scan a book. That is, you can scan from a particular textbook, and you can also scan from a whiteboard. You can as well upload picture from your phone gallery to scan from a certain things. You can click on Allow All. Select a particular document that you would like to scan. Like for instance, if I'm going to select this, and then hit on OK. Just like so. Now save a compressed copy of this file for easier. So we can click on here and save in different file. You can save high compression, you can save low compression, you can as well keep it in low compression, just like so in PDF. So you can also click on keep scanning right here. And then here we go. Now this particular document here has been successfully scanned and add to a queue. You can edit. So preparing for text edit. So you can edit text from this particular PDF right here. So here we go. That's been opened in a text edit. You can edit all the text from this particular scan document right here. So let's go back to the scan page right here. Then we go back to the home page. Just like so. So you can do all sorts of things with this particular PDF scanner right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.